Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Vita model and firmware because compatibility matters. Once you know that, install Vita Shell and QCMA on your computer so you can move files. Next, enable USB or FTP and dump your original UX0 theme folder and any album/background assets for a rollback plan. You do this now to avoid irreversible changes later. It's faster to test with a backup, and making a full dump prevents soft bricking if an overwrite fails. Once your backups are secure, create the custom theme by preparing assets, liveria, icons, bubbles, and background, using templates so dimensions and formats match the Vita's requirements. Then convert files to PNG or BMP, double-check file names and folder structure, and place them into your custom theme directory. Now inject the theme with Vita Shell or Molecular Shell, set correct file permissions, and rebuild the database so the system recognizes the new theme. Finally, enable your theme in Settings under Themes and test it. If it doesn't show, reboot the console and check UX0 for correct placement. If you encounter black screens or crashes, restore the backup dump immediately and inspect file names and permissions, because incorrect names or modes are the most common faults. You can also boot to safe mode or review Vita Shell logs to find errors before trying another install. That step saves time and prevents repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.